Come test drive the 2024 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power retractable running boards, perimeter alarm, body color door handles, heads-up display, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, power adjustable pedals, compass. Indulge in luxury and make a statement wherever you go.